Good morning. I wanted to personally welcome you to the second week of e-learning. I hope that you have made a fairly seamless transition into this new landscape. I hope that you found a nice, comfortable spot to settle into, a nice place to set up, and really dig into what we are doing in this virtual learning experience. I wanted to thank the teachers publicly for really buying in and supporting this head on and being flexible and adaptable to what we're asking, and to ensuring that you, the students, are receiving as high quality of an educational experience as possible. This is a new normal. The entire country is faced with this. So again, thank you to the teachers and thank you to you, the students. Thank you for really buying in, and thank you for showing up, for lack of better terms. Part of that showing up is the schedule, which I think is beneficial to the program. It is the idea of a normalcy, of a routine, of having that face-to-face contact with your teachers, the face-to-face contact with your peers, with your classmates, but also finding the time to still have the non-academic experience of Holy Cross. There still are the online chapel activities going on. So if you're interested in those, the morning or lunch, please let me know, and I can make sure you get the video conferencing information. But also I know that clubs are meeting. Clubs are finding the time to come together virtually and do what clubs do, whatever that might be. Part of scheduling, and I would like to stress this, is finding the time to unplug. So we are asking you to show up to class, but in between classes, if you have break or study hall, lunch, after class, please try to find time to put the iPad down, to step away from Netflix and Hulu, and maybe go on a walk. Maybe draw or create music. So there is space available to post those creative works. Contact your counselors. Read a book, a non-academic book, and let us know what you're reading. Let us know what you're listening to. I'd be interested in kind of what people are doing to occupy their time. And that brings me to communication, and that is communication not only from us to you, but also from you to us. So if there's something you need, if there's something one of your friends need, please feel free to reach out to the administration, a counselor, a teacher, a coach, anybody that you find is a trusted adult within the building. We're here to help you, and we're here to make sure that you're doing well. Again, thank you for showing up. Thank you for being part of this experience, and have a good day, have a good week, and I will see you soon. Bye.